lit. This culminates the journey of the flame here in our country. The trophy to the official opening of the Southeast Asian Games on November 30.
For example, the Secretary of Business with our Philippine national athletes. Alright, there you have it, the official photo op of all the dignitaries and very important VIPs who are present here with us in the final leg of the 30th SEA Games Torch Run. And again, I would like to thank everyone for taking the time to come here to celebrate with us and of course to support all our torch bearers! Alright, runners! I know you're excited. Remember, try not to get ahead of our pacers. This is not a competition. We will not be awarding the top 3 finishers here, okay? So stay on the right, keep right. We have hydration stations stationed along the race route. We have 2 water stations actually, and 1 at the activity center. And don't forget to dispose your cups properly. Let us keep Clark City clean. Also, for medical concerns, we do have ambulance vehicles at the water stations. So please do not hesitate to approach them if there's any discomfort that you feel. Okay, we're all about safety here. We're all about cleanliness. Of course, Secretary Dizon here in front, carrying the torch. Here you go. And when you finish, guys, please proceed to the activity area because we have a lot of fun and exciting performances that await you. We have a torch, or we have a drone exhibition actually, courtesy from our sponsor.